Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing your device so linking is smooth. Make sure you're signed into the Google account you plan to use. This is the identity Pubg will attach to. Once done, update Google Play Store and Play services so permission prompts work correctly. Then open Pubg Mobile and tap the gear icon at top right to open settings. From here, you're ready to access the account menu. We'll use that menu to begin the actual Google Play linking process. You now proceed to link. In Settings, choose Basic or Account and locate the Google or Linked Accounts section. Tap Google, then pick the desired Google account from the list. The system will prompt you to allow permissions. Accept these so Pubg can read your Play game's identity and in-app purchases. After confirming, the game will display a binding confirmation. Wait for the sync to finish. If you see purchase or achievement syncing, that means the link worked as intended. Finalizing the link requires verification. Go back to the account page and confirm the Google label shows linked, then restart Pubg to ensure the session persists. Make sure purchases and achievements appear by opening Google Play and viewing installed app licenses or Play Games profile. If something goes wrong, one key troubleshooting step is to clear Pubg cache, ensure Play services and store are updated, and remove then re-add your Google account. Doing that fixes most permission or token issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.